Hi everyone and welcome back. We're going to do a dirty pour on a glitter base. So what I did is I spray painted this tumbler two different colors. I did a purple and I did a light blue, and I just glittered it with an opal glitter that will make it kind of pop on both sides to where the opal glitter is just going to take out some of that color from the purple and the blue and then create its own magic. Okay. When I'm doing a dirty pour, you're going to need to add a little acrylic medium to your acrylic paint, either water or medium. I use a medium and I just use different colors, mixed them all by themselves first with the medium, and then I poured them all in the cup together. So that's what I'm doing right now, dumping them all in the cup together. Then I'm going to pour it on top of my tumbler in a swirl. And you don't have to do a swirl. You could just put your cup on top and just let it go. And that's it, you guys. That's totally it for doing the acrylic part. Let it dry overnight. Then I came back with some acetone and a Q-tip and a paper towel and kind of just took out different areas where I wanted some of that glitter to kind of peek back through. Just to give you that peekaboo effect with the glitter. So the only thing I'm using is, you'll see me dipping into the acetone. I kind of sped this up because this was kind of long, being that took the paint so long to dry. So I didn't want it to be a long video, but only thing I'm doing is going in with a little bit of acetone, and I'm using a Q-tip because I only want a little bit of those areas to show through. And then you're going to epoxy it afterwards. Let it sit another couple of minutes or whatever. Epoxy afterwards. And this is the final outcome. I actually loved how this acrylic paint, just the colors pop, the glitters pop through. Everything was just, it worked. Again, if you don't want to, you don't have to do the peekaboo with the glitter. You could just do a simple dirty pour and just let that be it, and just add your vinyl to it. I'm a little extra, you guys. You know how I get. So here is the final results. This is after the epoxy. That's both sides. And I add a little crown to it. And that's it. Thank you so much again. And you guys come back for more. Bye.